In today's fast-paced world, technology continues to evolve at a rapid pace, with artificial intelligence, AI, playing a pivotal role in shaping the future of everyday devices. Enter the Revolutionary Humane AI Pin, a groundbreaking innovation that has the potential to disrupt the smartphone market and even replace iPhones. The significance of AI technology in everyday devices cannot be overstated, as it enhances user experience, efficiency, and personalization like never before. What sets the Humane AI Pin apart from iPhones are its advanced features, seamless integration of AI capabilities, and a user-centric design that prioritizes privacy and security. Join us as we delve into the future of smartphone technology and explore the endless possibilities that lie ahead. The journey of AI devices leading up to the Humane AI Pin has been nothing short of remarkable. Over the years, we have witnessed the gradual integration of AI into consumer electronics, revolutionizing the way we interact with technology. From voice assistants to smart home devices, AI has become an indispensable part of our daily lives, enhancing convenience and efficiency. The evolution of smartphones with AI capabilities has been particularly noteworthy, as they have evolved from simple communication tools to powerful personal assistants that can anticipate our needs and preferences. AI devices have transformed daily tasks and interactions, making our lives easier and more connected than ever before. The Humane AI Pin boasts a plethora of key features and functionalities that set it apart from traditional smartphones like iPhones. This innovative device enhances user experience by leveraging advanced AI capabilities to personalize interactions and streamline daily tasks. From intuitive voice commands to predictive suggestions, the AI Pin anticipates user needs and adapts to individual preferences seamlessly. Its innovative applications enable users to effortlessly navigate complex tasks, such as organizing schedules, managing finances, and even enhancing creativity through AI-powered tools. The potential impact of these features on the future of technology is immense, paving the way for a more intuitive, efficient, and personalized user experience that redefines the boundaries of what is possible with AI-powered devices. The user interface and experience offered by the Humane AI Pin are truly exceptional, setting a new standard for intuitive design and ease of use in the world of smartphones. The AI Pin showcases a sleek and user-friendly interface that adapts seamlessly to user preferences and behavior, creating a personalized experience like no other. Its intuitive design allows users to navigate effortlessly through tasks and applications, while the interface intelligently anticipates user needs and adjusts in real time. This level of personalization not only enhances user satisfaction, but also fosters a deeper connection between the user and their device. The Humane AI Pin's commitment to delivering a tailored and user-centric experience truly sets it apart in the realm of technology. When comparing the Humane AI Pin with iPhones, several key differences in design, functionality, and AI integration come to light. The Humane AI Pin stands out with its user-centric design, seamless AI integration, and personalized user experience, whereas iPhones are known for their sleek design, robust functionality, and extensive app ecosystem. While the AI Pin excels in anticipating user needs and adapting to preferences, iPhones offer a wide range of features and a well-established brand reputation. Both devices have their advantages and limitations, with the Humane AI Pin prioritizing privacy and security, while iPhones boast a vast array of third-party apps and accessories. By presenting a balanced view, viewers can better understand the unique selling points of each device and make an informed decision based on their individual preferences and priorities. The potential impact of the Humane AI Pin on the smartphone market and AI technology is profound, with far-reaching implications for future developments. As the AI Pin continues to push the boundaries of innovation, it is poised to influence the trajectory of smartphone technology, setting new standards for user experience, personalization, and privacy. This groundbreaking device could pave the way for a new era of AI-driven innovations in other industries, from healthcare to finance, transportation, and beyond. By encouraging viewers to envision a world shaped by advanced AI devices like the Humane AI Pin, we spark curiosity and excitement for the endless possibilities that lie ahead in a future where technology seamlessly integrates with our daily lives. In conclusion, the Humane AI Pin emerges as a game-changer in the smartphone market, offering a host of advantages over traditional iPhones. Its user-centric design, advanced AI integration, and personalized user experience set it apart as a revolutionary device with transformative potential. As we witness the evolution of AI technology in everyday devices, the Humane AI Pin stands at the forefront of innovation, reshaping how we interact with technology and envisioning a future where AI seamlessly enhances our daily lives. We invite you to subscribe, like, and share this video to stay updated on the latest AI insights and join us in exploring the endless possibilities that AI technology has to offer.